Hey there everyone, this video is continuation of our Vox CPM installation process where I have shown you how you can install Vox CPM, which is an excellent tool to clone your voice or even to generate text to voice in a natural way. However, there are some changes that is needed if you have got graphic card like NVIDIA, because if you do not use your GPU, Vox CPM is very slow even for higher end desktop. So let me show you how we can enable leveraging our graphic card for Vox CPM. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to open VS Code, or you can directly open PowerShell and go to the Vox CPM installation directory. Here you can see I am already in. Or if you want to follow the process from very beginning, then do check out the video of Vox CPM installation that I have added in the description. Now after I have opened this Vox CPM main installation directory, the next thing here I did is I created the virtual environment, which is the following. Now after the next thing what we did is we try to check if our NVIDIA graphic card is detected or not, and the next command what I run here is nvidia-smi, which lets you know your GPU is detected or not. So here you can see my GPU is detected properly. And worry not guys, you're gonna also find all these commands in the description of this video so that you can also directly copy and paste and follow us along. Now after the GPU is detected, the second thing we need to do is we need to see whether we have got CUDA installed or not. And here you can see again, you're going to see this command is available in the description. Simply copy and paste it, and it says CUDA build is none and CUDA available false. And right now we are running PyTorch. Alright, and then again by running this another command, we are again checking whether we are using GPU or not. So here it says not detected by PyTorch. Alright, so right now my Vox CPM is only working in CPU. So this kind of confirm that PyTorch is CPU only. Now we will be replacing it with official CUDA build. Alright, so right now my NVIDIA driver reports that it have CUDA 13.1 capability. So we can use CUDA CU130, not CUDA 132, and PyTorch officially provide Windows CUDA 13 package for version 2.12.1. and Vox CPM2 support CUDA 12 or newer. Alright, now the next step will be we will be installing CUDA-enabled PyTorch, and we will be installing 2.11.0, which is CUDA 13 package to avoid version conflict. And let's say if you are watching this video after a long period of time, then probably you also need to play with this CUDA torch with torch vision and torch audio version number. Please make sure that they are compatible with this CUDA version. Right now I think this combination should work perfectly fine. So let's hit enter, and now we are installing it. And please also make sure that you have sufficient internet connection, because here you can see it is about 2 GB. Alright, so again let's re-verify the GPU access by running the following command. And now here you can see it says PyTorch 2.11.0, which is exactly we have installed, and then CUDA 13, which is CU130. And then I can also see CUDA available GPU and VRAM, which is perfectly fine, because in case of Vox CPM the minimum VRAM requirement is 8 GB. Now I'm going to see how this Vox CPM app select GPU. For that you can paste following command. And the reason why I pasted this, because I wanted to know how we need to run the Vox CPM2 with NVIDIA GPU. And here we go. So here's the way how we can. So let me paste the following command, and by mentioning the device as CUDA. Now let's wait for the model to load, and it should eventually load the local address. So here we can see Vox CPM is now running in local address, and let me copy this. Now let's press Ctrl and left click and open it. Okay, so it says failed to load, and here it is running. So we will see how we can fix it. Alright, so finally here we can see it says running on local URL. Next thing what I'm gonna do is I am going to open my internet browser, and then let's type localhost, which is 127.0.0.1, and then the port which is 8808. Now let's hit enter, and there you go. So now here we have got this Vox CPM running, and let me actually see whether now it take less amount of time compared to past. For that I'm gonna give it my previous voice. which might be available here, and I'm gonna see how much time it will take. So here I have added a reference video that needed to be cloned, and this is my own voice. Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Technoholic. This is the test video that I would like to record. Okay, now I'm gonna enable this ultimate cloning mode. Now this is my target text. So I don't know what I'm gonna say. Probably I will be saying, hey there everyone, this is Vox CPM test. And I will be testing it, how clean it is in converting or cloning my voice, as well as how fast now it will become after enabling NVIDIA GPU. Okay, so you heard me and my real voice, and now let me click here on generate speech, and I'm gonna see how much time it will take now. Okay, and let me also see if it is leveraging the GPU or not. So I will be just keeping my system here, and let's go performance, and here you can see the GPU is now properly being leveraged. 86% utilization means that it is utilizing GPU. I hope that it will not take too much of time like CPU compute as it take in case of CPU. And finally, here we can see it have generated and took almost 1 minute to generate a 12-second clip, which is, I would say, faster than the CPU. Let's play this and see if it really have cloned my voice or not. Okay, so you listen by yourself. Hey there everyone, this is Vox CPM test, and I will be testing it how clean it is in converting or cloning my voice, as well as how fast now it will become after enabling NVIDIA GPU. So really it worked perfectly, and you can see the text that I converted to audio. I am quite impressed, and then certainly the amount of time that it used to take also gets reduced. So that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find it helpful and informational, and that's how you can also enable NVIDIA GPU while cloning voice in this awesome tool known as Vox CPM. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI, because we cover various AI tools like this, aiming to help you in taking your productivity to the next level. And I will catch you with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.